All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are doing a sewer line camera inspection. We got the rigid sea snake right here, and unfortunately we have a broken clean out cap. The plug, that square little hex thing on top, is broken. Ooh, with finesse. Finesse, Matt got it out easy peasy. All about the leverage, ladies and gentlemen. And never forget, it's lefty, loosey, righty, tighty. Lefty, loosey, righty, tighty.
Probably how this got broken.
Probably.
Now let's quickly reach out to the homeowner who asked us to do this camera inspection. Mr. Homeowner, thank you so much for trusting Plumbing and Air by Tom. I ask, why are we doing this camera inspection? What prompted this call today?
It's a great training method, and I think that everybody that wants to have their house done and cleaned out, this is a good example.
You start from the foundation. You start from the ground up. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. What good is having a Taj Mahal, a McMansion, or a beautiful home if you can't put the turds down? Turds flow downhill. So part of every mechanical system is the proper sanitary drainage system. Here we have a clean out that's on the side of the home, and this goes to the city sewer. Here in this nice development, we have sewage, which goes to a septic field eventually. But every home has their own underground sanitary system. And if there's any damage or there's properly in-pitched piping, you're gonna have problems with, because those duties are not gonna wanna go down the drain. So we're using the rigid sea snake right now. And Matt is using the app on his phone to actually see what that snake sees. So let me shut up and let me show you. All right, so we're gonna see what that snake head sees. And let's go to the videotape. So right now, ladies and gentlemen, you are looking at the inside of the sewer pipe under this gentleman's home. And you can see that PVC is in great shape.
It is.
Sorry with the glare right there, but
Yeah, I got something on the
it's
head.
in great shape. We have a little bit of cocky on that drain head, but it's okay. You get the picture.
Actually, really
Look at that. We have a
nice little combo right there.
yeah, we have, looks like a Y.
Clean little Y.
Yeah, it's a nice clean Y right there. And then it makes a turn.
Nice long
Nice
sweep.
45
Yeah.
turn there, long sweep.
No 90s.
Very nice. Very nice. You know what? You could tell the mechanical contractor, the plumber who built this house with that underground did a great job. And I apologize for the glare right there. Let's see right there. Perfect. Nice. And we are 28 feet in, 29 feet in. You can see in the bottom left of the screen, 30.4, 30.10. Very nice. And what's great about this, let's say we had a break or an issue with the piping, we can actually use the rigid locator to pinpoint exactly where we are.
Correct.
A big shout out to Rigid, #love Rigid. What did you just say?
My God.
It's like watching Tool Time.
I think I have better personality than Bob. Very nice. With a little bit
Just a
of
little bit.
a little bit of flat water right there. Nothing
okay.
crazy right there, but so far we're looking great.
Yeah.
Be nice if we could poke up right through the toilet we came out of.
I believe that's where I'm headed, man. But yeah, boss, I'm 50 feet in just about. To be honest with you, your drain looks amazing. You don't need a jetting. You don't need well scraped. Everything seems to be like it's flushing.
Okay, that sounds good.
You're all set, my man.
Excellent.
Okay?
So ladies and gentlemen, if you need your sewer or drainage system inspected, call Plumbing and Air by Tom, 407-375-1100. Catch you in the next one. Be well, God bless, stay safe.